Good morning, my histology trailblazers. Welcome to the look at slides with me. Look at microscopic slides with me. We have a set of whole slide images. Some I have prepared and I know what they are, and some I don't know what they are. But the goal today is to just guess the slides with me. I'm going to be going through, I don't know, we're going to be going maybe for 1 hour, looking at different slides that I have prepared on QPath. QPath is an open source image analysis software, but you can also view images there. So it's an image viewer as well. So I'm Dr. Alex. I'm a veterinary pathologist and a digital pathology educator. And the technology that helps us look at these slides today is digital pathology, digital microscopy. My favorite technology because it lets you digitize glass slides and take histology and pathology wherever you want to take it, or bring it digitally to whichever expert you want to work on it. So without further ado, let's start with the first image. And if you already know what that is, you can leave me a comment in the chat, because actually you could recognize it from far away. So we have this triangular shape. So part of this organ is gonna have this like end like this, like a triangle. We have a lot of white space, some red dot here, some white round structures here that have some indentation. So let's go a little bit closer and let's see all the structures. So from the outside, I see like a thin layer of cells, and they create this, whoa, don't go away, honeycomb pattern of round structures, like little bubbles that were cut across. And then we have these more round structures. So this one I already see, even though so these are real life slides, they're not going to be perfect, but you can recognize everything that you need to recognize here. So this red blob here is actually blood. I see better the white blood cells with their segmented nuclei. The red blood cells, they just clumped together as pink mass. But this is a vessel. This is an airway, and in ideal world we would see some cilia here, but we see from the cross section that this is something more sturdy, and these are more flimsy. Let's see, they're very thin. And if you already know what that is, let me know in the chat. But I can tell you that because we have these empty spaces, this is where air enters the body. So the organ that is responsible for air exchange, gas exchange, is the lung, and this is the lung. So from far away, pattern of, I call it honeycomb, even though it's not that regular, but basically a cross section of a lot of irregular bubbles and thin walls between the bubbles, meaning the function is going to be to let something through. In this case, do the gas exchange, let oxygen through to the blood. We have vessels, we have airways, and I purposefully call them airways because I don't know if it's definitely not the bronchus, because bronchus would have cartilage. Bronchiole, probably. Here's some more vessels. But yeah, this is lung. Do we have it? And on the right, I can change the name of the image, which is what I'm gonna do. Do I have the number? So I have a whole box of slides here where I'm supposed to sort them, but I've noticed that during a live stream it's kind of challenging. So maybe I'm just gonna rename this image, and after renaming, we're going to move on. So this was lung.